In this video, we'll be exploring what you can export to the US. So what does US import? You know, a number of people always looking for opportunities around the world and trying to explore those opportunities as much as they can. So in the series of video I'll be doing from this channel, I'll be looking at the top importers in the world. You know, you're an exporter, right? And you're going to be shipping product to a particular country. So the question we are asking is, what does these countries import? And I will be looking at the top importers in the world. The largest importers in the world is United States. And the import of United States in 2022 is $3.12 trillion. $3.12 trillion. So we'll be digging deep in this conversation and looking at what are those things that the United States import? What are those things that the United States import? The next is raw materials. Raw materials, but in this kind of raw material, not agric raw material, but minerals, mineral products. From crude petroleum, which account for about 60% of the 329 billion import of crude petroleum in the US, refined petroleum. So US import refined petroleum and also import crude petroleum. US also import gas, 7.44% gas, and even about 1.38% of electricity, which account for total of $329 billion. But majority of this mineral import is crude oil and refined petroleum.